Are you guys still sitting on the sideline saying there's no more affordable home here in Charlotte? Or hey, can't find anything reasonable enough in Charlotte to buy? If you are, you want to watch this video because I am on my way now to tour this property. It is off market. One of my investor buyers is buying an off market deal that we found for them. Let me just say below what it will go for if listed, right? 3-bedroom, 2-bath here in Pineville, North Carolina. So I'm on my way to Pineville now, and I'm going to tour this property, show it to you real quick. So let me flip the camera around, just show you around. So here I am driving to Pineville. So here is the atrium main Pineville Medical Center. And we are literally less than a mile from atrium main Pineville. So as y'all guys can see, that's the entrance to atrium Pineville. The intersection here, like if you're familiar with Charlotte, and if you look at my GPS, we're about half a mile, 0.9 of a mile from the destination. So less than a mile away of the heart of Pineville, this property is located. I won't give you all the detail because we are not closing for another week or two, but I can tell you we are under contract less than $250,000. Yes, $250,000, less than that. So let me show you around. So I'm driving.
Prepare to turn right.
So I'm about going into the community now.
Right.
So here's the community. It is an older community here in Charlotte called Park Ridge. So you got a little bit of
Please
everything.
turn right in 500 feet.
And here we are. So I'm about to flip the camera around and show you this beautiful home. Single story, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,200 square foot here in Pineville, in the heart of Pineville, in Park Ridge subdivision. And when I say this is a great deal for my investor client, it's a great deal. So I know a lot of you out there still on the sideline thinking, hey, is it not a good time, or where can I find a great deal? Reach out to me, call me 704-904-5152. Yes, we do come across off-market deal. We do come across great deal. So let me turn around and show you guys this property real quick. There we are. Just give a quick tour of the neighborhood. Let's go check this out. Come on in. And here we are. So let me just point it out front. It does and will need some cosmetic upgrades, yet one can move in here and make this home. Take the time and finish it up. So as you walk in, you have your living room area. I like this being in the ceiling, by the way. It's very nice. But again, it will need some cosmetic upgrades. Carpet, probably you may need to replace the carpet. Then you come here, you have, I'll call it a dining sitting area. Your kitchen, you can always open this wall to make it an open concept kitchen. Here you have your laundry area and utilities, the washer and dryer. But the good news is you already have a granite countertop. So this is a granite countertop with stainless steel appliances. And now let's go. I'm in the hall. First thing on my left is your first bedroom. So this is your first bedroom. Down the hallway, you got a full bath, walk-in shower, toilet, sink, single sink here, tile floor. Right next to it, you got your second bedroom. Now again, you may come in, you may need to replace the carpet, paint the floor and everything. But speaking of affordable home here in Charlotte, in Pineville, you can't beat it. Your primary bedroom, and you have your bath here, sink, toilet, shower. So it is a full bath. So you have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Your closet, good size closet here. So you got a good size closet. Now, for one looking for an affordable home, something to have for the price, you cannot be this home. Sorry, I'm turning off the light. Now let me show you the best part about this home. The backyard. Look at this. A fenced backyard. Look how big this backyard is. Level, fenced, beautiful backyard. Have a shed out there already. I mean, come on guys. Look how big this is. Now, this is just a quick tour of this property. We're already under contract, but for those thinking that there's nothing affordable here in Charlotte anymore, there are still homes out here that you can buy, okay? You don't have to buy the $1 million home, the $500,000 home right away. But again, for less than $250,000, $240,000 less, $230,000, you could buy you a single family, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home here with a nice level yard in Pineville, okay? I mean, living here 2 years, turn around, sell it, make the money, use that to buy another home. I mean, simple. So there are still affordable home. If you're looking for something affordable here in Charlotte, give me a call, 704-904-5152. Let me lock up. I just want to give you a quick tour of this home. We are closing in a week, but hey, my buyer is happy. They got a great deal, and this home, whatever they do, is worth an investment. They will rent it out. I mean, the ROI is there. You can turn around and flip it. You still can make money. So if you're looking to buy, give me a call, and I can find you one too. 704-904-5152, and let's talk.